Now this though, you have to have it verified out of.
Go put it back. Granny said please.
Yeah. Well, that's
I guess actually when you get back.
No, no, I don't want it.
it.
Go put it back where you got. Thank you, but I don't want it. Spencer, here. Spencer. Put it back. Say please.
People who served, you know.
Spencer, say please.
Oh, that's just the daughter of American Revolution.
Yeah.
Oh, that's.
Ooh, that's a look.
Look
at that.
Meaning American, after the American.
Ooh, that was scary.
Wow.
Spencer, what did you find?
How did you get
You
those?
get it?
Wow.
Come here.
Have you ever had anybody ask
Come
you so
here,
many
Spencer.
questions?
Let me share with you.
Come here, boy.
Everybody's nailing it. He's right
Oh,
over here
thank
with him.
you.
He likes women better.
Another one?
Nate, what do you
That's not a
have?
strange
Hey,
guy when he likes women better. That-
what do you have in your hand?
You gonna have some? I'll help you open it.
Are you gonna make a choo-choo train,
Open it
Nate?
for you? This is for Spencer.
Spencer likes women.
Spencer.
So did Nate.
Oh, Spencer, naughty, naughty.
He's working on the railroad.
For shame, for shame. Spencer, Spencer, for shame.
He's
Nate.
like, hurry the hell up. Okay, there. Now go in the kitchen.
Uh-oh,
Grandma and eat
losing.
it there.
Go in the kitchen and eat it with Grandma. Hey, can I
Spencer.
Hey,
She's the
Spencer,
one
will you
who
give me a
gave
big
it-
kiss?
Whoops.
I gotta get going, Spencer.
Spencer, give Grandpa a big kissy. Oh.
Oh,
Nate.
good boy, thank you. Sure, I'll help you.
Go set up the whole train track.
Oh no. I gotta get going, Spencer. Or Nate, or I'd be
Spence,
right
can you
there.
go give Grandpa a big kissy?
All done?
Don't rush off, Joe, because we're not going anywhere.
Eat that.
What was
Eat
that?
that.
What was it?
Nate.
Hey.
You guys have to try something yet before you go.
All
I
done?
mean it because I don't think you've had any of it.
Oh wow.
Okay, yeah.
Hey,
Because-
Charlene.
Cransons?
Craisins.
What?
Craisins.
Cranberry raisins.
Right. Have you had some before?
I don't know.
Did you make him, Granny?
I've been
No, I did not make them. Would you like one? Would you like one?
Oh wow.
Oh, they're
Oh,
so
Wow,
good.
it's bright over there.
Go see what Granny
Must need the
has.
backlight when I look at them.
Oh, you want a cran raisin?
Spencer, can you get one for me, please?
Here,
You're a good boy.
get one for mommy. Put it in your
Spencer,
mouth.
can I have one?
Please.
Thank
No.
you very much. Thank
Please.
you. Can you say
Give it
thank
to Mommy.
you?
Please, thank
Good
you.
boy,
Spencer,
thank you.
say thank you.
Thank you. Thank
Spencer.
you. Spencer. Come here and give me a kiss.
A cranberry raisin.
Oh God, this guy's kissing me all over the place.
Raisins? Mm-hmm. Are they
Hey, I'm worried about you. Go give Charlene a kiss.
No, they're
Do they grow on trees?
Go give
Nate, are
her.
you giving out too many kisses? Control yourself, Nate. Control yourself.
Cranberry?
Nate's giving out way too many kisses. He's out of
just don't dry 'em
control.
like
Hey.
You're going to make
we
it
normally would
disappear.
dry them.
Hey,
They
Hey.
run them through a
Hey,
thing and keep
Spencer, come here.
spraying them with sugar water.
Spencer, come here and give me a kiss.
Oh.
Spencer, give
He
Grandpa a
has
kissy.
no interest at all in doing anything like that.
Spencer.
Spencer has no, this guy's been kissing the hell out of me.
Spencer, can I have a kiss?
He's not gonna ever, he's gonna say, you're never,
He's going after Kitty.
Hey, you never give me kisses like that. You know that?
that's good enough, thank you, you're a good boy. We're gonna have a tape of this if you don't watch out. You're a good boy. Good boy, thank you, I'm gonna have to stand up now. You're forcing me to actually leave. You're a good boy.
He's getting excited. Uh-oh.
Would you want this?
Get this on tape, we gotta get this on tape. No, that's enough. That's enough. I asked for it too much. Oh.
Oh. Who else is there?
Colleen.
Where's Spencer?
Thank you. You're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. You'll never be in trouble with me again. Come on.
Uh-oh, Kitty doesn't look very happy, Spencer. She's flipping her tail
You're awfully
around.
nice.
What's that in your pocket?
Well, I got keys and things.
Okay.
Oh, I don't think she likes that.
That.
That was the kitty going meow. Don't squish her hair. Pet her nice. Can you pet the kitty nice?
No,
E.T., it's okay.
because.
Oops, oops.
Boy,
Oh, did she
thank
get you?
Oh, he got bit by the cat.
This is not a horse.
I'm sure he deserved
It's not a
whatever he
farm
did.
animal. We're okay.
It's not a farm animal.
It's almost domestic.
Because they've got thoracic poisoning.
Who was that?
Thoracic Jurassic.
See? It's okay. Kitty likes Nate.
The farm animals do.
Nate's giving Kitty a big kiss.
They go back, you don't know how far. I'll take a look. I don't know. I hope Nate's fingers are good.
Trap, okay? And they're gonna get away, okay?
Grind them down. Maybe you got it before it.
Nate's giving instructions, Spencer. Listen, he knows all about kitties.
And don't check the thing. And her get away.
Is she getting tangled up in the cord? Take it off over her head. Pull it over her head.
I don't want to. Her can't get away and then
Come on, Spencer.
scratch her.
Nate, come on.
Okay.
Okay.
No way.
Give your grandpa a big kissy. He's got a long drive. Give him a big kissy to get him through that big
No,
drive.
give Charlene my kisses, would you please? I've had enough.
Spencer,
All right, Spencer.
Get him?
come on,
Are you
Spence.
gonna get him?
I need that little girl to give me a kiss.
How come you didn't give me the kisses, huh?
This little girl looks. Hey, this little girl may be more romantic.
Nate.
There's one wearing a bow all the time. Sticks it on
You're
and takes it
ticklish.
off.
Did we have that bow picture on? I mean, did you have that bow on when we were taking a picture? I don't think
There you are. What are you doing?
What is that? What have you got? Oh.
Santa heads.
Well, thank you. God,
Hey, where's
you've
that Santa come
you've
from?
been a.
I got here.
Okay. What are you doing, Spencer? Don't hurt her. You gotta be careful.
I'm not that. I got
Nate,
here.
Spencer, that's good. Don't saw her head.
I know, her's not. I'm gonna fix this.
Don't hammer so close to her head. Nate, that hurts her ears.
Oh, okay. I'll do it.
You gotta be careful. You want to fix your patient. You don't want to kill her.
No, I'm a doctor.
I know you are, so you gotta be careful. What
I
is?
know I'm being careful.
Are you an orthopedic surgeon, Spencer?
No, don't cut me. Oh God. You tell me.
Hi there.
There you go. I'm gonna do.
Hi there.
No, it's mine. I'm the doctor. I'll fix you.
Look what you had to put up with, these two guys.
I
Yeah, what happened to your eye?
got pulled. Got pulled.
You gonna pull out one of your teeth, Nate? Hello. Hello. lot of noise, Nathaniel.
I know, I got myself.
Oh, Spencer.
Spencer's gonna be a doctor. Spencer got fix him. Go fix her.
You gotta blow your nose, Spence.
Spencer a doctor.
Hi. Hi, little baby. How are you? How are you? Goo goo goo. Goo goo. Hi. Hi. How are you? Oh, you found Spencer.
I'm dead, Daddy. I fall down my head.
It's okay, fix yourself, Nate. You're the doctor.
Go back to the doctor. You got that thing back.
Spencer, you gonna go fix Nate? He fell down and hurt his head. You better go fix him.
Oh,
Put this around your head. You gotta go fix Nate. Now go on, go fix him. He's hurt. Oh, yeah. He's dead. You better go fix him, Spencer. Bring him back to life.
Hi, Nate. What's going on out here? What are you doing? Is it snowing a little bit? Whoa, look at your van's covered. Where's Spencer? There he is. Is he playing basketball in the snow? The snow. Right. Almost. Make a basket. Woohoo! 2 points. Nate, are you looking up at the snow? Wow, this is a lot of snow. Spencer, what do you see? Where's your baby? Boo? Does that mean burr? Oh no, wear your gloves! Oh no! What are you saying? Spencer, where'd your gloves go? Where are your gloves? Nate, where's Spencer's glove? He could be somewhere out there. Did you find him, Nate? Ooh, Burr, let's take Spencer in. How are you, baby? How are you? What are you doing today? What are you doing? Are you having fun? What are you doing in your swing? You're so cute. Look at you. What a cute baby girl. What are you gonna do today, huh? What are you gonna do? So nice and quiet, Nate. Spencer must be asleep. Huh? Can you talk for me? Huh? What do you have to say, baby? Hi. What's your name, little girl? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Got the hiccups? You're sure happy, huh?